If you've had matte film or matte vinyl before, you know that it can scratch and there's no way to fix it. If you polish matte paint, it will turn it into a gloss. It will increase the gloss. It's not meant to be polished. So typically when people get matte paint, they're stuck with, you know, whatever happens to the paint happens. But we have a matte film from Autobahn, and this film, see how I would scratch it. Now, in many cases, those scratches in vinyl, they would be permanently in the film. But I'm going to show you, they'll heat out with a hair dryer, and also therefore the Texas heat right here. So what would otherwise be permanently damaged film, or, you know, vinyl wrap, or permanently scratched actual paint is healable with our self-healing matte film from Autobahn. This is called Starkë. It's a really great option. It's also hydrophobic, and the scratches are self-healing.